Theory test case study questions. In this video we will focus on the case study questions for your theory test. You will have a short paragraph of a scenario shown on your theory test question, then you will have 5 questions to answer about the scenario. Please ensure you read and understand the case study thoroughly before attempting to answer the questions. Theory test case study 1. You've just bought your first car, a good second-hand vehicle. It has passed its MOT, but the vehicle tax needs to be paid. You arrange and pay for the highest level of insurance cover available. You receive a cover note from your insurance company. You then go to the local post office to pay the vehicle tax. Question 1. What's meant when a vehicle passes its MOT? A. The vehicle meets the minimum legal safety standards. B. The vehicle's engine capacity is suitable for your needs. C. The vehicle is a good bargain and the seats recline properly. D. The vehicle registration document is properly filled. The correct answer is A. The vehicle meets the minimum legal safety standards. Question 2. When would you need to contact Dvla? Mark 1 answer. A. If you change your employment status. B. If you change your name or address. C. If you choose to go abroad for a holiday. D. If you're told to do so by a traffic officer. The correct answer is B. If you change your name or address. Question 3. What's the highest level of insurance cover available? A. Complimentary. B. Comprehensive. C. Complicated. D. Compromising. The correct answer is B. Comprehensive. Question 4. What does the cover note give you? A. Temporary cover. B. Permanent cover. C. Comprehensive cover. D. No cover. The correct answer is A. Temporary cover. Question 5. Which document must you show at the post office to tax your car? A. Birth certificate. B. Driving license. C. Insurance certificate. D. New keeper supplement. The correct answer is D. New keeper supplement. Theory test case study 2. You're taking your 14-year-old nephew on a day trip. You drive through town and reach a zebra crossing. A man carrying a white cane with a red band is waiting to cross. You join a dual carriageway and see a sign which has a white circle with a diagonal black stripe. As you drive across a roundabout, you're involved in a collision with a cyclist. You and your nephew aren't injured. The cyclist is conscious but is lying at the side of the road and their leg is bleeding heavily. Question 1. Who's responsible for your nephew wearing a seat belt? A. He is. B. You are. C. His parents. D. The police. The correct answer is A. He is. Question 2. What should you do at the roundabout? A. Take your nephew to the hospital. B. Drive to the nearest police station. C. Put on your hazard warning lights. D. Flag down passing drivers for help. The correct answer is C. Put on your hazard warning lights. Question 3. What does the sign mean? A. Pedestrian zone ends. B. End of goods vehicle restriction. C. End of minimum speed requirement. D. National speed limit applies. The correct answer is D. National speed limit applies. Question 4. What do the markings on the man's cane mean? A. He's blind. B. He's deaf and blind. C. He's deaf. D. He has mobility problems. The correct answer is B. He's deaf and blind. Question 5. What should you do about the cyclist? A. Leave them for the emergency services. B. Restrict the blood flow from their leg. C. Help them back onto their bike. D. Give them a drink of water. The correct answer is B. Restrict the blood flow from their leg. Theory test case study 3. You have a short but essential journey to make. It's early morning and the roads are icy in places. It's very cold and snow is falling. Your tires are making almost no sound. On turning left, the back of your vehicle slides a little to the right. Further on, there's a slow-moving vehicle spreading salt on the road. Question 1. What should you do in such weather conditions? A. Allow more time. B. Fill your fuel tank. C. Put down your sun visor. D. Reduce your tire pressure. The correct answer is A. Allow more time. Question 2. How should you brake under the conditions described? A. Quickly and heavily. B. Gently and quickly. C. Slowly and heavily. D. Gently and slowly. The correct answer is D. Gently and slowly. Question 3. What does the lack of tire noise indicate? A. There could be grit. B. There's new tarmac. C. The road could be icy. D. The road surface is worn. The correct answer is C. The road could be icy. Question 4. What should you do in the skid described? A. Steer firmly to full right lock. B. Steer gently to the left. C. Steer firmly to full left lock. D. Steer gently to the right. The correct answer is D. Steer gently to the right. Question 5. What color beacon would this slow-moving vehicle have? A. Green. B. Amber. C. Blue. D. White. The correct answer is B. Amber. Theory test case study example 4. You are going to visit your cousin who lives in the next town. You have a road atlas in your car, although you have been before and know the route really well. You also have your mobile phone and have promised to call your cousin if you get delayed. On the way you find that a country lane you usually travel on is flooded and decide to turn back. Question 1. You are on a country lane and see that it is flooded ahead. How can you judge the depth of water? A. Park at the roadside and wait for another vehicle to drive through. B. Drive through slowly and keep checking through the side window. C. Look for a depth gauge at the roadside. D. Get out of your vehicle and wade in. The correct answer is C. Look for a depth gauge at the roadside. Question 2. You find that you can't judge the depth of the water, so you decide to turn around. The road is quite narrow. The best method of turning would be A. To give a signal and make a quick U-turn. B. Turn around in the road using forward and reverse gears. C. Reverse back down the country lane until you find a farm entrance to turn into. D. Drive slowly forward to a wider section of road to turn around in. The correct answer is B. Turn around in the road using forward and reverse gears. Question 3. You have turned around on the narrow country lane because you can't follow your usual route. The best thing to do to find a new route would be to A. Call your cousin to ask for directions as you drive back towards the main road. B. Drive on slowly whilst checking your road atlas. C. Find a safe place to pull in and consult your road atlas. D. Wait until you are back on the main road before calling your cousin for help. The correct answer is C. Find a safe place to pull in and consult your road atlas. Question 4. On the way back to the main road, you are delayed by a slow-moving farm vehicle ahead. You are worried about being late and should A. Sound your horn so the driver of the farm vehicle will get out of your way. B. Follow the farm vehicle closely so you can overtake at the earliest opportunity. C. Call out to overtake even though the road is very narrow. D. Keep well back from the farm vehicle so you can see well ahead. The correct answer is D. Keep well back from the farm vehicle so you can see well ahead. Question 5. You decide to let your cousin know that you will be late. You should A. Find a safe place to pull in and make a call on your mobile phone. B. Rely on your hands-free kit to keep you safe whilst you make a call. C. Stop and get out of your car to make the call. D. Drive slowly and send a text message to your cousin. The correct answer is A. Find a safe place to pull in and make a call on your mobile phone.